7. Ladies, please turn to your right. A quarter turn to your right. A quarter turn to your right. And finally, a quarter turn to your right. Ladies, please step backwards. Okay, we have now come to the second to the last part of the Puta pageant. Now is the time. May I reiterate that the question and answer portion or the determination of the top three ba? Last sila, will be back to zero. Meaning to say, the categories from the start to the evening gown will have no bearing.